Do you want to create unlimited Facebook accounts without being disabled? If yes, this video is for you. Hello, welcome to GladysTech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create unlimited Facebook accounts without disable. So the first thing you have to do is to know the reason why Facebook banned people that have more than one Facebook account. The reason is because of MAC address. MAC address is quite different from IP address. Though MAC address or Media Access Control address is a unique identifier for a device on a network. It is a 12-digit hexadecimal number that is usually found on device network interface card. So this MAC address, with any Facebook account you create on your Facebook app, has this MAC address. And anytime you try to create more than one Facebook account, it makes the MAC address to disappear from your Facebook, which signifies the Facebook customer service, and automatically your Facebook will be banned because it looks like a violation on Facebook. So in order to avoid this MAC address from being included on your Facebook, this is what you have to do. Head straight to your Play Store app for Android users or App Store for iPhone users and type in Brave Private Web Browser. Install it on your device. The reason why I like this Brave Private Web Browser is because it has a firewall plus VPN. The second reason is because of the free tracking protection and also third-party cookie blocker. So for us to be able to use this, you just have to click on the open option. Clicking on the open option, you're going to see an option for you to type in your number or email address and your password. But because you want to create a new Facebook account, you just have to click on the create new account. Clicking on the create new account, you just have to click on get started. Now type in your first name and your surname. Make sure these names are original names. Now click on next. The next thing you have to do here is to type in the date of birth. So I just have to click on set. It's going to automatically set on my device. I just have to click on next. Now I'll just have to select my gender and click on next. Now it says enter the mobile number on which you can be contacted. No one else will see this on your profile, so you just have to enter the mobile number. I prefer mobile number to email address. Now click next. So you can now type in your password for the new Facebook account. Type in your password and click on next. So I have created a password. I can now re-log in by typing in my details in order to log in and click on login. We sent a notification to your Infinix Smart 8 and Tecno Pop 5 Pro. Check your Facebook notification there and approve the login to continue. So if you want to continue, you can just click on it. I would advise for the phone number that you use different phone numbers for this creating of Facebook accounts, because if you do not use different phone number, it might link to your old phone number. So try to use different phone number so that it's going to be a separate account. Each of them is going to be a separate account. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to create unlimited Facebook accounts. If this video was able to guide you, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.